Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to download Sandbox NFT game. So if you are interested into Web3 universe or Metaverse, if you want to interest to try the Sandbox.game, you just open your browser and then go to Sandbox.game, and then you will not find any download button right here, but what you have to do, you make sure you already register by clicking on the right upper here. Make sure you already you sign in. You can use your Google account, really easy to do. And then how to download, you just click play this one, and then you can click play maps, and then you can choose or change your avatar, and then find the maps you want to join. This is the Metaverse. For example, I want to join this Deadmau Tower of Light, and then I can click play. Wait a minute, I can click play. Oops, the play button is not available. Let's try another one. So okay, not visited, so I will try. So I will wait a minute. I will refresh the page. After I refresh the page, I can click this play button. On right here, you can choose whatever Metaverse you want to join on Sandbox, and then here you can see there is an option of Windows or Mac OS. So I'm using Windows here, so I can click Windows and download and install. So it takes maybe 5 minutes to download and install, and then you can play your Sandbox. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.